ready? Let's go ahead and do it. All right, thank you.
It brings all the industries together in one place, in one location, which is great for us.
Many different people in many different professions coming together from all over the United States with a focus on disaster relief.
We have the opportunity to reach that acknowledgement and to bring those acknowledgement to our country.
The relevance of this show is to be able to communicate with the customers that we actually talk to a lot. So if we get to see them here, we really get a good handshake with them and let them know that we're still on board and we're still ready to go when that natural disaster hits.
Everybody I've talked to has been super friendly, very informative. I know we're going to take back a lot of products and services we can use in our industry.
Globally, less than 1% of international aid goes to disaster risk reduction. Can you believe it? Less than 1%.
The point of my presentation was, rather than continue focusing on managing disasters, let's put an eye on reducing the risks on the first place. And there's many cost-effective measures that can be put together to reduce the risk.
Coming here to this show is amazing, to meet really directly the people that we want to connect with for our sirens and PA systems. So that has been really a real return on investment, I think, so far.
It brings a lot of different technology and innovation together for people that have to respond, not just the frontline people, but communities and cities and states, even at a national level, and they need to see what technology is out there that they may not be aware of.
If something was to hit, the ability of all these different people here gives us such a realm of resources. And that's the key in anything with emergency management, is having the resources available, knowing where to get your resources, and being able to call on them in time of need.
I saw a couple of vendors that we've worked with in the past, which is good to know that we're in the right space. And then seeing some new stuff today too that I haven't seen before.
This show allows us to all collaborate. I think everybody's been very, very attentive to coming around to each booth and learning about what every other exhibitor does, which is a very large value when we're all dealing with a disaster.
The whole reason we align with the Disaster Expo is because it actually hits the demographic and the target market, and that's why we're here. And that's why we'll be here next year as well.